Hi traders, Mandy here from High Performance Trading. So I want to share a story with you of a trader that I worked with last week. And oh my God, it was such a heartbreak. And he specifically asked me to share that story with you guys so that hopefully you can learn from his mistakes, from his stupidity, as he called it, and maybe help you to avoid the same heartbreak that he experienced. But the thing is, I wouldn't call it stupidity because when I have done that plenty of times myself, that mistake, and every successful trader I know has done it too. It's human, right? So it was a rookie error. He, I think, has learned from it, and it's always about, all right, so don't be beaten down by those setbacks. Don't dwell on the past. Learn from it for the future. So in the future, when this situation happens, you can do it better. So let me explain. So you can see this is the ES and it's set up for a beautiful double top. And he was so sure that this double top is going to play out, not only technically speaking, but also from fundamental viewpoints. And so he went short on this little red bar, put a stop loss up here because he's like, okay, so if it doesn't work out, I don't have a big loss, right? He went in with one contract and wanted to see what is going to happen, how it's going to play out. And then, of course, beautiful follow through, right? And when the 6,000 mark was breached on the ES, he added another two contracts. And he was like, oh, see, he already started dreaming about how he's going to take his wife on a 5-star holiday. And he was fantasizing about the future, other traders congratulating him for this monster trade. And yeah, he was so sure this trade is going to play out. Now, his worst case scenario was that this neckline is going to be retested at 5,900. He would still have had enough profits to work with a position. But then, of course, the markets never work this way, right? So what actually happened was you can see there was this sideways, 4 days of sideways action. And then when the S came down and breached the 6,000 again, he added another few contracts. So now he was, compared to his account size, pretty leveraged to the short side because he thought, look, that's a bear flag, right? So it has to go down here at least to 5,900, if not further to my target. So this blue line here is a previous gap on the daily ES. That was his profit target from the double top calculation. So as you can see, the ES continued again higher and higher, and he added more position, and then he was leveraged to the top, and eventually he had to bail his position just right here. With a big loss, he bombed out his account, and yeah, guess what happened? He had to get out just before the ES rolled over all the way to his profit target. And as we know now, even further than that, right? I think we are now down here. So he was left behind in the dust with a broken heart, in tears. No 5-star holiday for his wife. And yeah, it was pretty tough for him. And the thing is, if he hadn't added positions, if he hadn't fantasized about having this big trade, if he had stuck with his original position, he could have easily been riding it out. His stop loss was never triggered, and he would have done really well. So the thing is, always expect the unexpected. And yeah, this is how oversizing really, really destroyed his dreams. And yeah, so guys, it is so important that you practice keeping your contract size, your position size in line with your account size. Don't get overexcited. I've seen it so many times, and I've done it so many times myself, where if I had kept my position sizing in line with my account size, I would have aced these trades. But then I got taken out, or I had to get out because, of course, the bigger positions we have, yes, we make bigger profits and quicker profits, but also what most traders don't calculate is how much quicker they get into a loss, especially for us trading on MT4 or MT5, when we can trade on leverage, 200 to 1, 500 to 1, it really, really impacts your account. So please, if you permit into your trades, nothing wrong with it, but know that when you add to your positions, the losses will get bigger with each point as well. The leverage needed will increase as price ticks up again. And calculate, do you have enough money in the account? Should it reach the previous high, and just do the unexpected? So I hope this is helpful for you guys. No fantasizing about the future, no regretting the past. Stay here in the present, grounded, focused. Do not be distracted with any dreams, because that is exactly what will destroy your dreams. Happy trading, and yeah, I wish you all the success for the future.